0 factorial is equal to 1. How the does that make sense? Well, let me explain. Let's start with what a factorial is. 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We can actually write this a lot shorter. We can see that after the 4, we have the exact same as what 3 factorial is. What we have here is the rule of recursion, and we can write it in general form, where n can be any number. Now, if we try and put in 1 as n, we see what 1 factorial should be equal to. However, we all know that 1 factorial logically can only be equal to 1. We can therefore remove the factorial sign. Reducing the parentheses, we now have 1 times 0 factorial. This is starting to get interesting. We know that multiplying by 1 will never do anything, so let's just remove that, and now we have the answer. 0 factorial is indeed equal to 1. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.